Welcome to Hell's Microwave.
Say that again.
Welcome to Hell's Microwave Part 2.
What is this bullshit? This is properly cooked to you.
Yes.
Undo the knob. This right here.
This one is more of a soup. It's more of a soup than the actual noodle.
No! That is not acceptable!
Then you eat this one. Then you eat this one.
No! My customers will not stand to have to change the soup bowls because you undercooked it for 5 fucking seconds!
Okay. We'll.
What is this trash?
I'll drain the soup.
Wait,
You
wait.
better! And this will not stand again! I keep doing this one more time, I will take a microwave and I will unplug it!
What, can we plug it back in?
No! I will turn off the power!
Okay, turn the power back on.
No! Fine!
Wait, how many things do we have?
4. Do you have any more?
Get
What
the
is
shot
this?
of me cooking.
What is this? What is this? Tell me right now, chef. Tell me!
Noodles.
Why are there 2?
Noodle soup.
Why are there 2 little soups in one microwave? Do you think putting 2 at a time gives them respect and attention that they deserve?
Yes, it
But
does.
1 at a time!
It does.
They think you're just putting them in bulk and putting them out there just because people want to eat.
Get the
there's some
Do you think people want to just eat them?
Moana, get over here. I mean
One
that.
sec, there might be a few things in the garage.
They deserve attention. They
Alright.
deserve respect.
Do you deserve respect and attention?
No!
Are there any?
This is awkward.
Oh, you guys so good at making these?
These ones look
Fine. Oh, these are my specialty.
Alright, you better be calling it
Alright,
special. You better make them right and don't undercook them.
Alright, Speed, I need a saucepan.
Hey, someone, give me some forks.
What is this? You're
Someone-
saving them with spoons?
Okay,
No.
Eon.
This one might
Take
work.
over the camera.
I'm allowed to use it.
For using spoons?
I need one that's
You better not be using
Someone
spoons.
give me some forks.
Somebody get him some forks.
On
it.
Six.
You call that proper response time? How slow is that? Get over there right now and put those forks down.
Yes, sir! Anyone works.
Nah,
Because that's what my mom did.
does that look like proper stirring to you?
It's not stirring, it's cutting.
Does that look like proper cutting to you?
Yes, it does.
You just cut with a knife. It's not supposed to cut with a fork.
Yes, you
What
are.
is this bullshit?
All right, someone, Eon, Rafine, take these
Somebody
two.
crush these.
On it.
Like
Wait.
this. Just start breaking them.
Hey, Rafine,
But don't break the bag. No, you broke the bag.
Put them on the table.
What is this?
Oh my god. Oh my
You
god.
broke the
Idiot,
bag.
don't break the
You
bag.
broke the bag.
Someone.
You killed it. You killed it.
Damn it, I broke the bag. It doesn't matter.
This is a nightmare. What is this?
All right, nah,
You broke the bag.
don't worry, don't
How do
worry.
you call yourself Hell's Microwaver? That's terrible. It's a nightmare. Oh, so the restaurant's terrible. No one's gonna want to eat here. Ah! Man, a chill pill, come down here, lady.
How's it like to have the worst restaurant in the world?
911, we have a rogue cook here.
I know you've been calling 911. They're not gonna come here if you don't cook right.
No, you need to be put under control.
No, what are you talking about control? You think that is control? This is not a control kitchen, it's a terrible kitchen.
Did you see how I did that?
Look at that. Look at that bullshit right there. Some crap. Terrible, I tell you.
How's it like having the worst restaurant in the world?
It's just attacking. Oh,
They won't know.
Yeah, that's true. All right, I'll stir 'em.
I'll be watching.
I'll stir 'em. You go talk to the chef.
Chef Rada. Chef Rada's done, Chef.
Facebook status.
Say it one more time. If you tell me one more time, I'll tell you.
How's it like being like scolded by the worst boss in
Oh,
the
it's
world?
No, I know what noodle soup looks like.
Oh,
5 millimeters too much.
Is that big enough?
Middle.
need more water, don't you?
Millimeters, I tell you.
That's
I'm pretty sure it's
Presentation.
mellow.
How's it like having the worst boss in the world?
You're the one who cut the
Yeah,
bread
it's
side.
obviously look at this. Look at this. I'm not done using this one. Look at this one.
Because you're not.
Tell me that doesn't look bad.
You need to be put under control.
You need to take off your glasses.
You need to be put under control.
So what were you
They're
saying?
frosted too.
Look at this. Doesn't this look perfect?
I got it.
Doesn't that look perfect? Yeah.
Inject tape.
Okay.
We're good. Move on. Good.
You focus on your noodles.
He's dead.
Are we making nachos?
How's it like killing your own boss?
We're not making nachos.
How do you think death can stop me?
No,
I came back from hell.
How is it?
In the crappy kitchen.
No,
Your food was so bad.
we're not making nachos with this crap.
They don't even
Oh,
want it.
okay, let's go watch YouTube.
Okay, come on. Come on. I'm telling you. Even they don't even want to eat your food in hell.
Go away.
I'm the camera boy.
Cut the camera. Cut the camera.
Cut the camera right